Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Husna Arisa binti Syahrin Nizam. My team members is Nur Farisha binti Nur Hisham, Nur Syuhada binti Rosli and Nurul Ashikin binti Ibrahim. In this video, we will explain about the application of coconut water paste edible coating to extend the shelf life of fresh tomatoes for AGR652 post-harvest technology. Let's start with the first slide. For introduction, the importance of food preservation. Number one is to reduce post-harvest losses and improve food storage, transportation, and consumption. Extend shelf life by slowing respiration, ripening, and senescence in fresh fruits and vegetables. It also maintains freshness and quality of produce during storage and distribution. Supports food security by ensuring a stable food supply throughout the year. It also promotes sustainable agriculture by minimizing food waste and increasing resource efficiency.
Next, I'm Nur Ashikin will explain about the role of coconut water in extending of the storage life of tomatoes. According to Liu ETL 2025, coconut water contains various nutrient and bioactive compounds such as sugar, minerals and vitamin, amino acid and also phenolic compound. These compounds provide natural bacterial and antioxidant properties that help reduce microbial spoilage, delay ripening, and also reduce moisture loss during the storage. As a result, tomato can maintain their firmness, freshness, and also overall quality for a longer period. Coconut water is also biodegradable and environmentally friendly, making it sustainable alternative to synthetic preservation.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Farisha binti Nur Hisham. I will continue to explain about the post-harvest challenges in agriculture. Fresh fruits and vegetables are highly perishable because they remain biologically active even after harvesting. They continue to undergo physiological processes such as respiration, transpiration, and ripening, which gradually reduce their quality and shorten their shelf life. Besides that, mechanical damage during harvesting, transportation, and storage creates entry points for microorganisms, which will increasing the risk of fungi and bacteria. Improper storage conditions, especially high temperature and humidity, further accelerate moisture loss, decay, and nutrient degradation. These factors contribute to significant economic losses and food waste throughout the agricultural supply chain. Next, let's continue with the contents. Firstly, I will explain about the factors contributing to post-harvest losses. There are several factors contribute to post-harvest losses in tomatoes. After harvesting, tomatoes continue to undergo respiration and produce ethylene because they are climateric fruits. This causes faster ripening, softening, color changes, moisture loss, and eventually reduce their shelf life. In addition, mechanical injuries during harvesting and transportation allow fungi and bacteria to infect the fruit. Poor handling practices and unsuitable storage conditions, such as high temperature and humidity, also encourage microbial growth and increase post-harvest losses. Secondly, I will explain about the economic and environmental impacts of losses. Post-harvest losses have serious economic and environmental impacts. Economically, damaged tomatoes reduce the amount of produce that can be sold, lowering farmers' income while increasing production costs. In developing countries, tomato losses can reach up to 30 to 40% because of poor post-harvest handling and limited preservation technologies. Environmentally, food losses waste the valuable resources such as water, land, energy, fertilizer, and labor. Furthermore, when discarded fruits decompose in landfills, they release greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. Thirdly, I will explain about the need for sustainable post-harvest solutions. To reduce food waste and improve sustainability, natural post-harvest preservation methods are becoming increasingly important. One promising approach is the use of edible coatings, which help reduce moisture loss, regulate gas exchange, delay fruit ripening, and inhibit microbial growth. As a result, edible coatings can maintain the quality and extend the shelf life of fresh fruits and vegetables. In Malaysia, waste coconut water is an abundant agricultural byproduct that contains nutrients and bioactive compounds, making it a sustainable and low-cost ingredient for developing edible coatings while also reducing agricultural waste.
First one is the origin and collection of coconut water. Coconut water is the natural liquid endosperm found inside the fruit of the coconut palm. It is widely available in Malaysia. It is low-cost and renewable agricultural resources. It collected from the fresh young coconuts obtained from local markets or farms. Before use, it filters the fibers and impurities to edible coating formulation. Next, chemical composition of coconut water. It is mainly composed of water with dissolved sugars, minerals, organic acids, and vitamins. It contains natural sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide natural value. Rich in essential minerals including potassium, calcium, and magnesium. It also contains natural phytohormones such as auxin, cytokinin, gibberellins, and abscisic acid. Bioactive compounds and their properties. Cytokinin helps delay senescence, which is aging, and maintain cellular activity in plant tissue. Rich in antioxidant minerals such as copper, zinc, and manganese. The combination of antioxidant and antimicrobial effects will help inhibit microbial growth, slow deterioration and spoilage, maintain the quality and freshness of tomatoes during storage. Next is role of coconut water in agriculture and food preservation. Act as a natural base material for edible coatings and preservative formulation. It forms a thin protective layer on the surface of tomatoes. Reduce the transpiration, which is water loss, and slows respiration. Delay the ripening process. It is also extend the shelf life of tomatoes while reducing post-harvest losses. It also provides a natural and eco-friendly alternative to synthetic food preservative.
Historically, coconut water has been used in tropical countries for agriculture and preservation purpose. CETL 2025 reported that coconut water has long been valued for its nutritional and bioactive properties. Its traditional use has gradually developed into modern applications such as edible coating for fruit and vegetables, as highlighted by YADAF ETL 2022. In addition, coconut water contains bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, tannins, phenols, anthocyanins, alkaloids, terpenoids, and also glycosides. ANYAM ETL 2023 found that this compound contribute to its antibacterial activity that can inhibit the growth of microorganisms such as Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and also Klebsiella species. This help reduce microbial spoilage during the storage. Coconut water also has antioxidant properties that contain phenolics compound, keratin, and also vitamin C, which help reduce oxidative damage, minimizing browning, and also maintaining the nutritional quality of the fresh produce. Previous studies have further demonstrated that the potential of coconut water in post-harvest preservation. ANYAM ETL 2033 reported that its antimicrobial and also antioxidant activities, while Wang ETL 2020 showed that coconut-derived products have antibacterial effect against the various microorganisms. Overall, these findings suggest that coconut water has strong potential as a natural edible coating for extending the shelf life and maintaining the quality of the tomatoes during the storage. That's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurshada binti Rosli and I would like to continue the presentation about the variation in coconut water formulation and application methods. There are a few ways coconut water can be used to preserve fruits and vegetables. The first method is dipping. the fruits or vegetables are soaked in coconut water before storage. This helps keep them fresh and reduces browning. Another method is making an edible coating. Coconut water can be mixed with materials like pectin, starch, and chitosan. This coating helps reduce moisture loss, slow down ripening, and prevent microbial growth. Coconut water can also be sprayed onto the produce. This method is faster and uses less material, so it is suitable for large-scale use. Lastly, coconut water can be added into biodegradable packaging or films. This can protect the fruits and vegetables during storage and transportation. Next, I will explain about gaps in existing literature that make coconut water a suitable coating material. Although coconut water is known for its nutritional and biological properties, its use as a post-harvest edible coating is still not widely studied. Most research focuses on coconut water as a beverage, fermentation medium, or plant growth media. In comparison, other natural coating materials such as chitosan, alginate, starch, and aloe vera gel have received more attention. There is still limited information about the best concentration of coconut water, its stability during storage, and its effectiveness on different fruits and vegetables. Therefore, more research is needed to study coconut water as a sustainable and natural coating that can help extend the shelf life of fresh produce. Last but not least is the unexplored aspects of coconut water. Most studies on coconut water as a natural preservative focus on fresh-cut fruits. However, its effectiveness on whole fruits such as mango, papaya, guava, and dragon fruit is still unclear. There is also limited research on combining coconut water with natural preservatives such as essential oils, chitosans, and aloe vera gel. These combinations may provide stronger antibacterial and antioxidant effects. Therefore, more research is needed to determine whether they can help extend the shelf life of fresh fruits and vegetables. In conclusion, coconut water has strong potential as a natural edible coating for fresh tomatoes. Its antioxidant and antibacterial property may help reduce microbial growth, slow down ripening, and maintain tomato quality during storage. In Malaysia, coconut water is widely available, affordable, and environmentally friendly, making it a suitable natural alternative to synthetic preservatives. However, more research is needed to improve the coating formulation and test its effectiveness with other natural materials. Overall, coconut water offers a safe and sustainable way to reduce post-harvest losses and extend the shelf life of fresh produce.